Welcome to the exciting world of app deployment. How do you go from code to production and publish your very first mobile application? Let's dive in. Picture this, your app idea brought to life, reaching users around the globe. It all starts with the development process, where your vision and creativity take shape in the form of lines of code. But how do you transition from this coding phase to actually launching your app for the world to see? Today, we'll explore the essential steps and strategies to guide you through this exhilarating journey. So, are you ready to transform your code into a real-world sensation? Let's embark on this adventure together. Have you ever wondered what happens to your app after you've finished building it? App deployment is the crucial process that takes your creation from the development environment to the hands of real users worldwide. It involves preparing, testing, signing, and submitting your code to platforms like the Apple App Store or Google Play Store. Each step ensures your app is secure, functional, and ready for public use. Think of deployment as the final exciting journey your app takes before it reaches millions of potential users. And remember, a successful deployment is key to making your app accessible and engaging for your target audience. Ever wondered how software moves from development to production seamlessly? The deployment pipeline is the secret sauce. In development, coding and testing changes lay the foundation. The build process compiles and packages artifacts, while code signing applies essential security certificates. Finally, with store submission, your code is submitted for review and approval. This journey, from start to finish, ensures successful releases every time. Each step is crucial, each action deliberate. This pipeline streamlines the process, ensuring efficiency and quality. So, remember, understanding the deployment pipeline is key to your release success. What if your app could carry its own digital signature, like a unique fingerprint that proves it's truly yours? App signing does just that. By attaching a special certificate, you lock in your creation, shielding it from unauthorized alterations. This protective seal ensures users get your original work, shielding them from any harmful tampering. Platforms like iOS and Android mandate this safeguard. Apple links it to your developer account, while Android relies on safeguarded key store files. In a digital world filled with risks, app signing stands guard, guaranteeing authenticity and security with every download. Ever wondered how code signing works? It's like sealing a letter with wax and your family crest. You hold the private key, creating a unique signature for your app that's verified by app stores using your public certificate. Just like the seal on your letter, this signature ensures the app's integrity. Remember, never share your private keys, they're like the key to your front door. Keep them safe in password managers or secure vaults to prevent malicious actors from releasing fake versions of your app. Your app's security starts with you. Ever wondered how iOS and Android handle code signing differently? With iOS, you need an Apple developer account, while Android lets you create and maintain key store files. iOS relies on certificates from Apple's developer portal, while Android offers Play app signing for key management. In Xcode, signing is mostly automated, but on Android, you're responsible for backup and security. Are you keen to explore the nuances of iOS and Android code signing further? Remember, with iOS, it's all about certificates and profiles, while Android emphasizes key store management. Make your choice wisely. Ever wondered how mobile apps make it to your device? Chapter 3 delves into the world of app stores. These digital hubs are the gatekeepers of quality and security, ensuring only the best apps reach your fingertips. To join this digital marketplace, first, create a developer account with Apple or Google. Then, prepare your app materials, screenshots, descriptions, icons, and privacy policies. Next, upload your build and await the review process, where stores test functionality, content, and compliance. Finally, your app is released to users worldwide. A journey from creation to consumption, all within the realm of app stores. Are you ready to meet the App Store requirements for your next big launch? Your technical checklist must include a properly signed application bundle, app icons in all required sizes, and compatibility with supported OS versions. Ensure crash-free performance during testing and a responsive UI on various screen sizes. Don't forget accurate metadata, descriptions, and content guidelines. Keep it clean with no offensive content, accurate screenshots, and a transparent privacy policy if collecting data. Stay compliant with local laws, ensure original content or proper licensing, and assign age-appropriate content ratings. Your goal: a smooth journey through the App Store with a standout app that meets all requirements. Remember, the key to success lies in attention to detail and adherence to guidelines. Let's make your app shine on the App Store stage. Ever wondered what happens after you hit submit on your app? The review process timeline unfolds in 5 key stages. You upload your app bundle, then it's a waiting game as your app enters the queue. Human reviewers meticulously test functionality and compliance, a process that can take 1 to 3 days. The moment of truth arrives when you receive notification of approval or rejection. Once approved, your app goes live in the store, ready for global discovery and downloads. Remember, Apple's review process is known for its rigor, while Google Play tends to be quicker with its automated scanning system. Stay tuned for insights on navigating these pathways efficiently. Ever wondered how to create multiple versions of your app without starting from scratch? Chapter 4 unveils the magic of build flavors. Just like different recipes from a common base, build flavors let you efficiently manage development, testing, and production environments. Picture having separate servers for development and production, offering free and premium versions, or tailoring white-label apps for diverse clients using the same core functionality. It's all about maximizing code consistency while unleashing endless possibilities. Embrace the power of build flavors to streamline your app development journey. Why use build flavors? When it comes to development testing, build flavors offer a powerful advantage. They allow you to test new features against staging servers, ensuring a smooth user experience without impacting live users or production data. Moreover, by maintaining multiple versions such as Free, Pro, and Enterprise with different features from one codebase, you can cater to diverse user needs efficiently. Additionally, region-specific builds enable you to customize content, language, and features to meet the unique requirements of different geographic markets or regulatory environments. With build flavors, you can innovate, segment, and adapt with precision. Ever wondered how to set up build flavors for Android and iOS apps? In Android, using Gradle, define flavor dimensions like version and create product flavors such as free and premium with unique application IDs and version names. For iOS, leverage Xcode to establish multiple schemes, each with different build configurations, bundle identifiers, and preprocessor macros. Tailor settings like server endpoints and API keys per scheme, ensuring flexibility in managing different environments. By customizing configurations for each flavor or scheme, developers can streamline testing and deployment processes effectively. Ever wondered how Spotify manages its different versions? The free tier offers ad-supported listening and limited skips, while going premium means an ad-free experience and high-quality audio. Families can enjoy multiple accounts and shared playlists. Surprisingly, all versions share the same core codebase, utilizing build flavors to toggle features, payment systems, and interfaces. It's like having one house with customizable rooms. Each version caters to different needs without reinventing the wheel. Simplifying complexity through smart design choices. Ever wondered how users truly interact with your app? Chapter 5 dives into the world of analytics, offering a window into user behavior, feature usage, and potential issues. By leveraging tools like Google Analytics for Firebase, Mixpanel, and Amplitude, you can track crucial events such as button clicks, screen views, session duration, and user journeys. This data-driven approach empowers you to make informed decisions on enhancements and new features. Dive into the realm of user insights and watch your app flourish. Ever wondered how to gauge the pulse of your app's performance? Let's dive into the key metrics that offer a window into its health. Imagine 85% of your users actively engaging with your app daily, spending an average of 4.2 minutes per session. A solid 23% return after a week, but watch out for that 2.1% crash rate. These figures are not just numbers, they tell a story. Low retention may signal onboarding hiccups, while a high crash rate demands immediate tech TLC. Remember, trends over data points. Keep your finger on the app's pulse. Are you ready to dive into setting up analytics for your project? First, choose the right analytics platform like Firebase or Mixpanel to meet your specific needs. Next, integrate the Analytics SDK into your project through the Package Manager. Then, define the key events you want to track, such as signups, purchases, or feature usage. Implement the tracking code by adding event logging throughout your application. Make sure to test in development mode to ensure events are firing correctly. Lastly, regularly monitor the dashboard to review data and act on insights. By following these steps, you'll be on your way to harnessing valuable data for your project's success. Are you risking your app's future success with these common deployment mistakes? Losing signing keys can halt updates. Ensure secure storage and backups. Hard-coding API keys is a security risk. Use environment variables for safe credential injection. Rushing to production without thorough testing leads to crashes. Test on various devices and OS versions. Ignoring store guidelines can lead to rejections. Review platform policies before submitting your app. Always prioritize security, testing, and compliance for a successful app deployment strategy. Remember, secure keys, test rigorously, and follow store guidelines for a smooth app deployment journey. Are you ready to streamline your deployment process for optimal efficiency and reliability? Embrace automation by integrating CI/CD tools like GitHub Actions, CircleCI, or Bitrise. Let technology handle the heavy lifting, reducing errors and ensuring consistent builds every time. Remember, version control is key. Track changes meticulously and communicate clearly with semantic versioning. Opt for staged rollouts to minimize risks. Test updates on a small user group before a full-scale release. Post-deployment, stay vigilant with analytics and crash reports, ready to swiftly address any critical issues that arise. Embrace best practices to enhance your deployment strategy and deliver seamless user experiences every time. As we wrap up, let's recap the key takeaways. Digital certificates are crucial for app signing, ensuring authenticity and preventing tampering. Remember, safeguard your keys like passwords to avoid hindering app updates. When it comes to app stores, be prepared for platform-specific review processes and guidelines. Allocate ample time for submission and ensure compliance with all requirements. Building flavors allows you to create multiple app versions efficiently from one codebase, catering to various testing environments, feature variants, and market segments. Utilize analytics to track user behavior, make informed decisions, and continuously enhance your app based on key metrics. Stay proactive, stay insightful, and keep evolving your app for success. Let's put your deployment knowledge to the test with these questions. Why is app signing crucial, and what's the risk of losing your key store file? Next, identify 3 pivotal metrics for analytics and explain their significance. Define a build flavor and provide a practical scenario for its usage. Lastly, outline the 3 essential items necessary before releasing an app to the App Store or Google Play. To reinforce your learning, practice deploying a test app to both platforms. Experience the process firsthand to grasp deployment workflows and anticipate potential hurdles. Remember, mastering deployment requires hands-on practice and attention to detail.